Mrs. Green was an old lady. She traveled often and she wasn't afraid of flying. One day, she was going from Chicago to San Francisco in a big plane. There were a lot of empty seats on it. After afraid of, we have to use ing form. So she wasn't afraid of flying. After a lot of, we can use countable and uncountable nouns. A lot of seats or a lot of money. Both are correct. Mrs. Green's seat was near a window. There was a young man on the other side of the aisle. He was near a window too. Mrs. Green looked at the young man several times. The correct pronunciation of this word is aisle, and the meaning you can see. He is always looking at the engine outside his window, she thought. She got up and walked around the plane for a few minutes. Then she sat down and looked at the young man again. Thought is past form of the verb think. Yes, she thought. He is looking at that engine all the time. After half an hour, Mrs. Green went over to him and said, "Take a walk around the plane, young man. I'm going to watch that engine for you for a few minutes." Here the verb watch means be careful of. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.